Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to unbox this power supply that I recently bought. I bought it about 2 weeks ago, and this is going to be the power supply for the Yaesu FT991A. I paid a total of $89.99 from Amazon. I seen this power supply lower than that. I seen it on AliExpress for about $59.99 and so on. But I did not want to take the chance on ordering through AliExpress because they're notorious for their packaging. And plus, I didn't want to wait 2 weeks for the power supply to arrive. So I could have got it a lot less. I just want to make note of that you can probably get it less. And also, I didn't want to run the risk of actually getting a clone of this one. This model is particularly known on several brands. This is the Tekpower TP30SWI 30 amp DC power supply. It's a switching power supply, 13.8 volt, and it has the noise offset. So let's open the box up and I'll show you. Okay, so we just got this foam here. Let's just take this out the way. Of course, you got some paperwork here. This is the model number right there. Okay, it is a switching mode power supply. I know the linear power supply is a lot better. Unfortunately, they're way expensive for me. And I'll tell you the reason why I bought this in a minute. There is this actually power supply is highly regarded. And let's just take it out the box carefully here. Let me tip it on one side. Let's see if I can take this out. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put this over here. Just put this over here. Okay, nothing else in the box. Put that over here. Of course, it was nicely boxed. And that box was just shipped into another box. I got this from Amazon, of course. And like I said, that's why I paid $89.99 for it. I mean, I could have got it from AliExpress. But again, they're very notorious for not the best shipping practices. So I decided I wasn't going to take that chance and get this thing arrived. Take the chance to get damage on the shipping just to save a few dollars. So here it is. Okay, let me put this down for a minute. Let me get this plastic bag out the way. Okay, so this is the plug that comes with it. It's a standard, you can get a computer type. You've seen these all over. I have a million of these cords. So good thing it's just a heavy duty cord. So this is the front of it. Okay, Tekpower TP30SWI switching power supply. Of course, you got your voltmeter. It is an analog display, which is cool. I don't mind that. Of course, you got your volt meter on one side. You switch it, and you have your amp meter on the other side. Okay. Then you have the I forget what they call these. I believe these are called Anderson power pole connectors or something. And of course, we got the noise offset. That's another reason why I picked up this video, because Jill's official SWL channel made a video on talking about this power supply, and he really loves this power supply. And that's the reason why I got it, because also the noise offset. You can kind of move the noise away from the frequency that you're operating on, which is great, because you got your on and off power switch there. And then this is the back of it. Okay, and this is where the radio is going to be connected to these two. Okay, 30 amp, maximum of 30 amp. Got a big old fan there. Because the side of it right there. This side is the bottom. Got big rubber feet there. Okay. And put that down there. And of course, like I just said, a lot of people do really recommend this power supply, including, like I said, official SWL channel, Jill's. He does have one of these, the same exact one. This is why I went with this one. 30 amps is more than enough of a power supply for the Yaesu FT991A, excuse me. And that's why I went with this power supply. Also, there are other videos. There's one video that the guy actually opened it up and really inspected it inside. And this power supply is well made inside, well soldered, well constructed. It's not a, just a, clone or whatever. It actually is a very good power supply. And actually, I highly recommend it. So there you go. So this is the power supply that's going to go with the Yaesu FT991A. I paid a total of $89.99. Of course, you can't get it, if you shop around, you can get it cheaper. But again, I didn't want to run the risk of this possibly coming from China, like through AliExpress or whatever. I could have got it maybe $20 off on it or something like that, or even maybe a little less than that. Actually, a little more than that, maybe right above $60. There are clones out there, so that's another thing you got to be careful of that. I really wanted the Tekpower, the same exact one that that other people have, that they really like. This power supply is a workhorse, and it's also very quiet. Also doesn't get very hot. When it does, this thing does work, it'll get warm up here, but not hot enough where you touch it, you're not gonna get burned or anything like that, nothing like that. Okay, so there you go. I rambled enough about this power supply. And next thing is I'm gonna hook this up to the Yaesu, and then we'll do it. I'll do some testing on it. I'll do some receptions on there. That'll be in another video. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I'll put the link in the description for this power supply. Amazon. I'll put the Amazon link for this where I bought mine. And yeah, so I'll put the link to this power supply on Amazon, from Amazon, excuse me. And there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.